and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Today I'm here with this luscious and gooey eggless Nutella pudding. It is so good and it's so easy to make that you'll keep going back to it again and again. I'm not using loads of heavy creams or a lot of sugar in this, and there's no egg in it, of course. And with these fresh strawberries around, I was so tempted to use them as well. You do not necessarily have to use them, of course. Just use lots of roasted almonds or hazelnuts or any other of your favorite nuts with this, and that will give an extra crunch to this gooey pudding. So I hope you have subscribed to my channel already. If you haven't, please do so. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. All you need to make this wonderful eggless Nutella pudding is some Nutella, of course, milk, sugar, cocoa powder, corn flour, vanilla extract, and some roasted nuts. So the first step is to take the corn flour and half a cup of milk. Make sure that the milk is cold. So mix this corn flour and this milk nicely till there are no more lumps remaining. Now you can just keep this aside while we get on to the second step. Take a saucepan and pour in the remaining 1.5 cups of milk in this. Add the sugar followed by the cocoa powder. Mix these again very well. Again, you need to make sure that no lumps of cocoa powder are remaining in this milk. As the milk heats, it will become easier to get rid of the lumps. You just keep it on a medium to low heat. Now let it come to a simmer, and once you see that it has started simmering, lower down the heat and then give a quick whisk to the cold milk and corn flour mixture once again, and very gradually pour it into the simmering milk. Keep stirring all the while. Now this mixture in the pan is going to thicken very fast because we've used a good quantity of corn flour. Now as soon as you see that it has thickened well enough, you need to turn off the heat, take it off the heat, and then put in the Nutella. Mix it very well again so that everything is well combined into a uniform mixture. And if you want, you can also add some vanilla extract after this. Now you can see how thick this has become. It's coating the back of the spoon so well. Now your Nutella pudding is absolutely ready. And what I'm going to do is make it a little more pretty. Now out come my glasses. I decided to fill half the glass first, and then I garnished it with some roasted almonds. You can use any nuts you want. Hazelnuts will go very well with this. And I also had some fresh strawberries, so I chopped it up and I added a layer of strawberries as well. And I topped it up with some more pudding, garnished it more. And here you have this pretty eggless Nutella pudding. Wasn't it so easy to make? And now all it needs to do is chill in the fridge for as long as possible, because that is what is going to make it even more wonderful to eat. So here it is, ready to devour. I'm sure you like this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna make it. If you do post a picture on Instagram tagging us at AnjalisBakeAffair. Till next time, bye bye and enjoy.